problems on trains and boats and streams. These two topics are depend upon time, speed, and distance. So here, what is the relationship between time, speed, and distance? The relationship between time, speed, and distance is speed is equal distance by time. 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 Yeah, speed is equal distance by time, or s is equal d by t, or s is equal d by t. So here we have one and only one important formula: speed is equal distance by time. Clear? So next point is how to convert kilometers per hour into meters per second. How to convert kilometers per hour into meters per second and meters per second into kilometers per hour. So here the speed only. Clear? Kilometers per hour or meters per second, these two are speeds. Okay, now we will discuss. Okay, so here listen carefully, ma. So speed is equal distance by time. Speed is equal distance by time. Okay, so here for example x kilometers per hour, x kilometers per hour express in into meters per second. For example, 72 kilometers per hour. 72 kilometers per hour. Now convert it into meters per second. So what is the procedure? What is the process? Clear? So here x kilometers per hour is equal to x into 5 divided by 18. 5 divided by 18. Clear? So this is the first point. Okay, so now, so this is the example. Okay, example, right? 72 kilometers per hour is equal to 72 into 5 by 18. Clear? How much it is? 18 ones, 18 fours, right? So that is equal to 20 meters per second, right? So 72 kilometers per hour is equal to 20 meters per second. 20 meters per second. So this is the conversion from kilometers per hour into meters per second. Kilometers per hour into meters per second. Okay, next one. Next one. X meters per second is equal to x into 18 by 5 kilometers per hour. X into 18 by 5 kilometers per hour. So here, why it is 5 by 18 or 18 by 5? Clear? So simple, na? X into, for example, how we will get 5 by 18 or 18 by 5? X kilometers per second. X into 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? 1000 meters. Clear? So 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes, right? So 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? 60 seconds. This is the conversion from kilometers per hour into meters per second. Clear? So here two zeros cancel, na? 2 5s, 2 3s. Okay, so that is equal to 5 by 18. 5 by 18. We'll get 5 by 18 or 18 by 5 reverse. Here, so this is the process to convert meters per kilometers per hour into meters per second, or meters per second into kilometers per hour. Okay, so here what is the formula between the relationship between time, speed, and distance? So speed is equal distance by time. Okay, so here this is the example. Convert 72 kilometers per hour into meters per second. So here simple. So 72 into 5 by 18. 18 ones, 18 fours. That is equal to 20 meters per second. So this is the process to convert kilometers per hour into meters per second. Okay. Right. Next one. Next one. A person covers a distance of 240 meters in 6 seconds. Then what speed he maintains? Simple. Speed is equal to distance by time. So here, what's the speed now? We don't know. We have to find here. Speed is equal. What is the distance? 240 meters. 240 meters. Clear? So what is the time? 6 seconds. 6 seconds. So 6 ones, 6 fours. Okay. So S is equal 40 meters per second. 40 meters per second. 40 meters per second. meters per second. Next concept, average speed. Average speed. Average speed. For example, if a person covers two equal distances, clear? For example, this is point A, point B. Okay, so this is the total distance D. Okay, so here we divide it into two equal parts. Okay, a person covers two equal distances. A person covers two equal distances at a speed of x kilometers per hour, and y kilometers per hour, So here the average speed is equal to x by x plus kilometers per hour. So this is the formula about two speeds. If a person covers two equal distances at a speed of x kilometers per hour, y kilometers per hour, and z kilometers per hour. So here, this is the formula. What is the formula here? Average speed is equal to xy by x plus y kilometers per hour. Kilometers per hour. Chalo. Right. Write the problem. A man covers half of the distance at 10 kilometers per hour and the remaining half of the distance at 20 kilometers per hour. So here x value is 10 kilometers per hour and y value is 20 kilometers per hour. So here, what is the formula? Average speed is equal to xy by x plus y. So here, what is the average speed? Please find out. So 10 into 20 divided by 10 plus 20, x plus y, 10 plus 20, that is equal 30. So here 2 into 20, 40. 2 into 20, 40. Okay, 2 into 20, 40. 40 by 3, that is equal 13.33 kilometers per hour. 13.33 kilometers per hour. Okay, this is the process to find the average speed. Okay, so here two half of the distances. A man covers half of the distance at 10 kilometers per hour and remaining half of the distance at 20 kilometers per hour. Otherwise, a man covers two equal distances at 10 kilometers per hour and 20 kilometers per hour. Clear? Otherwise, a man covers and covers the same distance at the speed of 20 kilometers per hour. These three cases are same. Clear? Same method. 13.33 kilometers per hour. 13.33 kilometers per hour. Next one. A train travels 450 kilometers in 7 hours. A train travels 450 kilometers in 7 hours and 740 kilometers in 10 hours. Then find the average speed. Average speed is equal total distance by total time. Total distance by total time, or average speed is equal tt by tt. Total distance by total time. So here what is the total distance bar? Total distance 450 plus 740 divided by total time. So 7 plus 10. How much it is? 1190 divided by 17. Once 17 sevens. Clear? So answer 70 kilometers per hour. 70 kilometers per hour. So this is one more formula. This one or this one, both are equal. So here speed is equal to distance by time. So t is equal to distance by speed. So in first case, t1 is equal to d1 by s1. So that is equal to 28 by 7 is equal to 4 hours. We got 4 hours, clear? So similarly, t2 is equal. Similarly, t2 is equal to d2 by s2. d2 by s2 that is equal to 16 by 4 is equal to 4 hours. Clear? Next third one, t3 is equal to d3 by s3 that is equal to 6 by 3 is equal to 2 hours. 2 hours. Yeah. So average speed is equal total distance by total time. So 28 plus 16 plus 6 kilometers. Clear? Divided by 4 plus 4 plus 2 that is equal 50. 50 divided by 10 that is equal 5. 5 kilometers per hour. 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 Next one. So here, if a person covers to equal distance at a speed of x kilometers per hour, y kilometers per hour, the average speed is 2xy by x plus 5. So this is about two speeds. Clear? Next one. If a person covers to equal distances at a speed of x kilometers per hour, y kilometers per hour, and z kilometers per hour. Okay. So here the three equal distances. First distance, second distance, third distance. These three distances are equal. So here he covers the first part at a speed of x kilometers per hour, y kilometers per hour, and z kilometers per hour. Okay. So average speed is equal 3xyz, 3xyz divided by xy plus yz plus zx. Kilometers per hour. Kilometers per hour. 3xyz divided by xy plus yz plus zx. xy plus yz plus zx. A man covers 1/3 of his journey at 6 kilometers per hour. Next 1/3 of his journey at 12 kilometers per hour, and the remaining 1/3 of his journey at 18 kilometers per hour. Not 818. Not 818. 18 kilometers per hour. Kilometers per hour. So here, substitute the values. Average speed is equal to 3xyz divided by xy plus yz plus zx. So 3 into 6 into 12 into 18 divided by, so 6 into 12 plus 12 into 18 plus 18 into 6. Clear? So here, simplify it, ma. So here, write as this 3 into 6 into 12 into 18 divided by, so 6 into 12, 6 into 12, 72. Next 12 into 18, 12 into 18, so 216. plus 216 plus 18 into 6. 108. 108. Okay. So here 18 into 6. 108. Okay. 108. So that is equal. So 3 into 6 into 12 divided into 18 divided by 72 plus 396. 396. Clear? So here 3 ones, 3 1, 3 threes, 3 twos. Okay. 6 ones, 6 twos, 6 twos. Okay. 11 ones, 2 11s, 2 nines. 108. So 108 by 11. 9.8 kilometers per hour. 9.8 kilometers per hour. 9.8 kilometers per hour. Kilometers per hour. Next question, ma. Next one. Next one. A man is walking at a speed of 10 kilometers per hour. After every kilometer, he takes rest for 5 minutes. How much time will be taken to cover a distance of 5 kilometers? To cover a distance of 5 kilometers. So here, what is the speed, ma? 10 kilometers per hour. What is the total distance? 5 kilometers. He is taking a rest for 5 minutes after every kilometer. Clear? After every kilometer. Here the total distance is 5 kilometers. Clear? Here the how many kilometer milestones are there? 5 kilometers. But the rest time at 4 points only. But the rest time at 4 points only. Clear? At first kilometer milestone 5 minutes. At 7 kilometer milestone, second kilometer milestone, third kilometer milestone, and fourth kilometer milestone. So only 4 times he's taking rest. Clear? So here, actually, here 10 kilometers per hour. 10 kilometers per hour speed. Distance is 5 kilometers, right? So 10 kilometers per hour is nothing but 10 kilometers. He covers 10 kilometers in 1 hour. He covers 10 kilometers in 1 hour. Clear? He covers 10 kilometers in 1 hour. He covers 5 kilometers in half an hour. 5 kilometers in half an hour. Clear? So that is equal 30 minutes. That is equal 30 minutes. Clear? So here, first kilometer, second, third, fourth. Okay, 0, 5. 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. Clear? So here, what is the total time? Extra time? Extra time. So total time is equal to actual time. So 30 minutes plus 20 minutes. How much it is? 50 minutes, not 55 minutes. 50 minutes only. Okay. So this is the short form. General procedure is speed is equal distance by time. Speed is equal distance by time. Clear? So here the speed is 10 kilometers per hour. Distance is 5 kilometers divided by t. 5 ones, 5 twos. So t is equal to half an hour. T is equal to half an hour. That is equal to 30 minutes. That is equal to 30 minutes. Clear? So here the time taking at first, second, third, fourth. Okay, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. So here the extra time is 20 minutes. So total time is equal 30 minutes plus extra time 20 minutes. That's equal 50 minutes. This is the answer. Yeah, you just copy it now. Okay. Yeah. It's okay. 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 Yeah. Next one. So next one, a goods train leaves a station at a certain time and a fixed speed. Okay, after 6 hours, an express train. After 6 hours, an express train leaves the same station, leaves the same station, and moves in the same direction. And moves in the same direction. Okay, at a uniform speed of 90 kilometers per hour. An express train catches the goods train in 4 hours. Find the speed of goods train. Find the speed of goods train. So simple ma, what is the speed of the goods express train? 90 kilometers per hour. Clear? So shortcut ma. So 90 kilometers per hour. So so it catches the goods train in how many hours ma? 4 hours. Okay. So here the speed of the express train is 90 kilometers per hour. That means it covers 90 kilometers in 1 hour. Clear? So 90 kilometers in 1 hour. In 1 hour, it covers 90 kilometers. In 4 hours, 90 into 4, 360 kilometers. So here, the distance covered by goods train is equal to the distance covered by express train. So here, the same distance covered by goods train. Speed is equal distance by time. So here the speed is equal, what is the distance? 360 kilometers by time. What is the time? So here the goods train covers certain distance within 10 hours. So previously 6 hours, finally it takes 4 hours. Clear? So 6 plus 4, 10 hours. So 36 kilometers per hour. 36 kilometers per hour. Okay, ma? Right. So this is shortcut method. Come to the general procedure, right? So here, this is goods train position, and this is so here after 6 hours. After 6 hours, it covers certain distance. So this is the position of goods train after 6 hours. This is the position of goods train after 6 hours. Clear? So now the express train leaves the same station. So now here, this is the position of goods train. Clear? Now the express train leaves the same station. It catches the goods train. It is moving on. It is moving on, continuously moving on. Clear? So here now express train catches the goods train within 4 hours. Within 4 hours. So here the goods train also moving. Okay, so this is the position of goods train as well as express train. So here the distance covered by the goods train is equal to the distance covered by the express train. So here the distance is constant. So speed is equal to distance by time. Now it is okay. So distance is speed into time. Okay, so distance is equal to speed into time. Now, so here if the distance is constant, the formula is S1 T1 is equal to S2 T2. S1 T1 is equal to S2 T2. S1 T1 is equal to S2 T2. Okay, S1 T1 is equal to S2 T2. Okay, right. So here S1 here, what is T1 mark? 6 hours plus 4 hours, 10 hours is equal to S2 value 90. So what is the T2 value? 4. So S1 into 10 is equal to 90 into 4. Okay, 0, 0. Your answer. S1 is equal to 36 kilometers per hour. So this is the speed of goods train. Speed of goods train. Next one. A man is walking 3 by 5th of its usual speed. Then he reaches his office 18 minutes late. Find usual time to cover the distance. Find usual time to cover the distance. Find usual time to cover the distance. Right. So here, if he maintains S speed, if he maintains S1 speed, clear? So this is usual speed. He reaches the station at T1 time. So it takes T1 time, T1 hours. Okay. So in second case, this is first case, ma. This is first case. Okay. It takes T1 plus 18. T1 plus 18. Actually, right? So this is the distance covered by a person in first case as well as second case. So both are same. So here the distance is x, here also x. So if the distance is constant, what is the formula? S1 T1 is equal to S2 T2. S1 T1 is equal to S2 T2. So here what is S1 value? Take it as S. Take it as S. Speed S. Right. What is the time? take it as T. Okay, so S1 S, T1 T, clear. So S2 value 3/5 of S, 3/5 of original speed, actual speed, usual speed, clear, into what is the time? So time is T plus 18 minutes late. So this is the process. Any doubt up to here? As if the distance is constant, formula is S1 T1 is equal to S2 T2. That is speed S time T. S into T is equal 3/5 of original speed. That is S into T plus 18. T plus 18. So S cancel ma. 5T is equal 3T plus 54. Okay. So 2T is equal 54. 2T is equal 54. Okay, so next T is equal 27 minutes. 27 minutes. This is the answer. If the distance is constant, what is the formula? S1 T1 is equal S2 T2. S2 T2. Right. Next shortcut. What is the fraction? 3/5. So here the shortcut formula is numerator is divided by difference of numerator comma denominator into late or before time. Late or before time. So this is the shortcut formula. This is the shortcut formula. So what is that, ma? Numerator is divided by difference of numerator comma denominator into late or before time. Clear? So here, what is the numerator value? 3. Numerator value is 3. So difference of numerator comma denominator 2. 2 into late or before time 18. 2 ones, 2 nines. Answer 27. This is the answer. This is the answer. Next question. A car maintains 4/7 of its usual speed. It reached the destination 18 minutes late. Find usual time to cover the distance. Find usual time to cover the distance. Yeah, very good, very good. Correct. 24 minutes. Superb, superb. So here, correct. 4/7. 4/7. Very good, ma. So numerator divided by difference of numerator comma denominator 3 into 18. 3 ones, 3 6. Okay, 24. Very good. Correct. 24. Yes, ma. Next question, ma. This is very important. Sorry. Very important. Please try it, ma. This is most important, ma. Most important question, ma. Most important model. Important model. You just try it, ma. Take 1 minute time. 1 minute. You just write. If a man walks at the rate of 5 kmph, that means 5 kilometers per hour, he missed the train by 7 minutes. However, if he walks at the rate of 6 kmph, he reaches the station 5 minutes before the arrival time of the train. Find the distance covered by him to reach the station. To reach the station. Okay, so this is the house and this is the station. Okay, so here the distance is d. Okay, so here in first case house and station. Okay, in first case, what is the speed ma? S1 is equal to 5 kmph. He reaches the station 7 minutes late. This is late time. 7 minutes late. So second time S2 is equal to 6 kmph. He reaches the station 5 minutes before. 5 minutes before. Then what is the distance? What is the distance? Yeah, correct. Now try it, ma. So here, simple, ma, simple. So here, the distance covered in first case, in first time, and the distance covered in second time. So here, in these two cases, the distance is constant. There is no change. There is no change between his house to station. That is constant. If the distance is constant, what is the formula? S1 T1 is equal to S2 T2. S1 T1 is equal to S2 T2. S1 T1 is equal to S2 T2. So here what is S1 ma? 5 into what is T1? T1. This is late time, 7 minutes late. Actually, he reaches the station 7 plus T, so T plus 7. T plus 7 time. So T plus 7. Next one is equal to 6 kilometers per hour into, for second time, T minus 5. T minus 5. So here T minus 5. T minus 5. Clear? So 5T plus 35 is equal 60 minus 30. So 60 minus 5T, T. So 35 plus 30, 65 minutes. 65 minutes. Right. Now convert this T value in our case 1. In our case 1. We'll see. Clear? So here T plus 7. T plus 7 is equal 65 plus 7 is equal 72 minutes. 72 minutes. Now convert it into hours. 72 by 60. 72 by 60. Okay. Now convert, so this T value, right? Convert it into our first case or second case. Both are equal. Clear? So here speed is equal to distance by time. Speed is equal to distance by time. Okay, na? So speed is equal to distance by time. Case 1. Substitute either case 1 or case 2. Clear? Speed is equal to distance by time. What is the speed, ma? 5 is equal to, what is the distance? Distance. We don't know. Distance by T. T value 72 by 60. That is equal 5 is equal to D into 60 by 72. 60 by 72, right? So 12 5s, 12 6. 5 ones, 5 ones. So D is equal to 6 kilometers. D is equal to 6 kilometers. If you have any doubt, please raise your hand. Any doubt, please raise it. S1 T1 is equal to S2 T2. So 5T, T is equal to 65. Substitute in our case 1 or case 2. Clear? So T plus 7 or T minus 5. Clear? Okay. So T plus, I'm substituting in our case 1. 65 plus 7, 72. 72 minutes. Convert it into hours divided by 60. Okay. Substitute in our case 1 or case 2. Speed is equal to distance by time. So 5 is equal to D by 72 by 60. So we'll get D is equal to 6 kilometers. This is general procedure or traditional method traditional method write it ma shortcut one. You want shortcut for method? Shortcut. Clear? So D1 by S1 minus D2 by S2 is equal to late time plus before time. Late time plus before time. Late time plus before time. Okay. So what is the distance, ma? Distance is constant. Let it as x kilometers. In first case and second case, both are equal. Clear? So distance is x. What is the speed, ma? 5 minus d2 also x. X by 6 is equal to 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 minutes. Okay. Now this minutes convert it into hours divided by 60. The conversion from minutes to hours divided by 60. So LCM is 30. So 6x minus 5x x is equal 12 by 60. So 30 ones, 32s, 2 ones, 2 6. So answer x is equal 6. This is the answer. 6 kilometers. X is equal to 6 kilometers. X is equal to 6 kilometers. Any doubt? If you have any doubt, please message me. Yes, yes. I got one message. No doubt. Thank you. Very good, very good. Good. Okay. This is shortcut method, ma. So next question, ma. Next question, ma. Two persons are running at the rate of speed of 12 kmph and 18 kmph. First person was reached the target 10 minutes late. Find the distance. Then find the distance. Then find the distance. Find the distance. Same method, ma. Same procedure. Tell me the answer. Tell me the answer. Answer, please. Six. Very good, Ram. Sri Ram. Good, good. Very good. N2. Very good. 65. Yeah. So we'll see. We'll see. We'll see once. Okay. Right. So here, what is the distance? What is the speed, ma? First speed. So x by 12 minus x by 18 is equal to 10 minutes. Convert it into hours. X minutes, 10 minutes, convert it into hours. Okay. So LCM is 36. Okay. So 3x minus 2x is equal to 1 by 6. Okay, so x by 36. So 6166. So x is equal to 6. Very good, very good. X is equal to 6 kilometers. X is equal to 6 kilometers. Right, ma? You are right. You are right. Not 18 kilometers, not 12 kilometers, only 6 kilometers. Very good. Well tried. Aditi, well tried. Yeah, very good, very good. Good. Next question, ma. This is very interesting question, ma. Interesting one. A theft is reported to a policeman. The thief starts run and the policeman chases him. When the police starts chase, the thief was at a distance of 250 meters. The thief and the policeman runs at the speed of 8 kilometers per hour and 9 kilometers per hour respectively. Then find the policeman will take him into custody. And find the time to take him into custody. Yeah, here one more concept, ma. So most important concept, relative speed, relative speed. So here two objects are moving in same direction. Two objects are moving in same direction. So what is the relative speed? What is the relative speed? Clear? If two objects are moving in same direction, so here the speed of first object is u kilometers per hour and the speed of second object is v kilometers per hour. So here if two objects are moving in same direction, the relative speed is equal same direction. Clear? The relative speed is equal u minus v. U minus v. Okay, so this is case 1. Okay, next case, if two objects are moving in opposite direction, opposite direction, right, the relative speed is equal u plus v. U plus v. Here u is the speed of first object and v is the speed of second object. So write these 2 points. If two objects are moving in same direction, the relative speed is equal u minus v. U minus v. Okay, relative speed. Here the thief and the policeman running in the same direction. Clear? So here the thief and the policeman. Clear? So here the thief and the policeman. Okay, the thief and the policeman. Here the speed of the thief is 8 kilometers per hour. Clear? Here the policeman speed is 9 kilometers per hour. If the values are interchanged, there is no chance to catch the thief. Why? Because the speed of the policeman is less than the speed of the thief. So this is a reverse case. Clear? So here the speed of the policeman is greater than speed of the thief. Okay, so here the possibility is to catch the thief. Here the possibility to catch the thief. Okay, in certain time. Clear? So here speed is equal distance by time. Speed is equal distance by time. So here the relative speed u minus v is equal distance by time. Okay, so here 9 minus 8 kilometers per hour is equal distance 250 meters. 250 meters divided by t, divided by t. Okay, 9 minus 6, 1 kilometers per hour. So here the distance is in meters. Now convert it into kilometers per hour, meters per second. So 1 into 5 by 18 is equal 250 divided by t. 5 ones, 550 is clear. So t is equal to 900 seconds. T is equal to 900 seconds. T is equal to 900 seconds. These 900 seconds, actually this is the answer. Clear? If the options are having in minutes, clear? So t is equal to 900 seconds now. Convert it into hours, convert it into minutes, okay, by 60. So 15 minutes, okay, or t is equal to, convert it into hours, 15 by 15 by 60. 4. So that is equal to 1 by 4 hours. 1 by 4 hours. Next question mark. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I'll explain again. Again. Don't worry. Don't worry. Right. So simple ma. So here simple. Speed is equal to distance by time. Right. So here the policeman and the thief, these two are moving in same direction. So here the thief speed is 8 kilometers per hour and the policeman speed is 9 kilometers per hour. So here the distance between policeman and the thief is 250 meters. 250 meters. So here if we want to catch the thief, he covers 250 meters. So here the distance is 250 meters. 250 meters by t. So here the relative speed is u minus v. The relative speed is u minus v. Clear? 9 minus 8 kilometers per hour. So here the distance is in meters. Clear? So 9 minus 4 meter per hour. Convert it into meters per second. Multiplied by 5 by 18. Clear? 5 by 18. It is equal to 250 by t. So t is equal to 900 seconds. Okay. So 900 seconds, or if it is in minutes, depends upon options. 900 minutes, convert 900 seconds, convert it into minutes, divided by 60. You will get 15 minutes. 15 minutes, or in hours. 15 minutes, convert it into hours, divided by 60. That is equal to 1 by 4 hours. 900 seconds, or 15 minutes, or 1 by 4 hours. Yeah, very good. Thank you so much. Very good. Yes, ma. Next question, ma. Yeah. Next topic. Next question from the topic ports and streams. This is most important. It is completely depend upon time and distance. Time and distance. Okay, na? Right. Shall we? Clear. Clear. Right. So here boats and streams. In boats and streams, here we have four words, four different words. Four different words or four different points. Here the total topic is depend upon these 4 points. These 4 points. Okay. Yeah. Wants to see this? Wants to see this? Yeah, downstream. So what is the downstream? In water, the direction along the stream is called downstream. So for example, so here, this is the water flowing. Clear? So here, the person or a boat moving in the same direction. So this is called downstream. In water, the direction along the stream is called downstream. So here, downstream speed is equal. So here, u u kilometers per hour is the speed of a person or boat. Clear? And v kilometers per hour is the speed of the stream or current. Both are equal. Clear? So here the water speed or stream speed is v kilometers per hour, and the person or boat speed is u kilometers per hour. Now, if the two objects are moving in same direction, downstream speed is equal u plus v kilometers per hour. This is most important topic now. U plus v kilometers per hour. So this is first case. This is first case. So second case. So here this is the water flow, right? So here this is the person or boat direction. Clear? These two are moving in opposite direction. So here u kilometers per hour and v kilometers per hour. So upstream speed is equal u minus v kilometers per hour. Upstream speed is equal to u minus v kilometers per hour. Okay, na? This is the downstream speed is equal to u plus v kmph. Upstream speed is equal to u minus v kilometers per hour. U minus v kilometers per hour. Right. Yeah, okay. I'll explain once again, don't worry. Yeah. So the direction along the stream is called downstream. The direction against the stream is called upstream. So here the person or a boat speed is u kilometers per hour and the speed of the stream is v kilometers per hour. So here downstream speed is equal to u plus v kilometers per hour and the upstream speed is u minus v kilometers per hour. Kilometers per hour. Kilometers per hour. Okay, na? So here simple. These two are very important points. Clear? So next point. Next point. Third point. Clear? So here downstream speed is equal to a kilometers per hour and upstream speed is b kilometers per hour. If the downstream speed is a kilometers per hour and the upstream speed is equal to b kilometers per hour. Clear? So here speed of person or boat is equal to modulus of half into a plus b. Next, rate of current means stream. Rate of current or stream is equal to modulus of half into a minus b. These two are important points. If the speed of downstream is a kmph and the speed of upstream is b kmph, then speed of a person or speed of boat is modulus of half into a plus b. And rate of stream or rate of current is equal to half into a minus b. Modulus of half into a plus b, modulus of half into a minus b, right? You just keep in your mind. Clear? Simple topic. Okay, don't worry. If you have any doubt, please raise it. Clear? Please message me. I'll clear the doubt. Clear? Right. Simple. I'll explain in a simple way. No need to worry. Yeah. So first problem. A boat can travel with a speed of 13 kmph in still water. If the speed of stream is 4 kmph, find the time taken by the boat to go 68 kilometers downstream. So here, what is the formula actually? Speed is equal distance by time. We know very well. Speed is equal distance by time. Speed is equal distance by time. We know very well. Clear? So here, what is the speed, ma? So here, downstream or upstream? Yeah, correct. Downstream. So downstream speed, u plus v or u minus v? U plus v. Okay, is equal distance by time. Clear? So what is the speed of the boat? 13. So next v value, speed of stream 4. Okay, is equal, what is the distance, ma? 68 kilometers by t. 68 kilometers by t. 68 kilometers by 68 kilometers by t. So 17 is equal 68 by t. 17 ones, 17 fours. So t is equal 4 hours. Simple, ma. So this topic is completely dependent upon time, speed, and distance. But here we have 4 different points. Clear? So downstream speed, upstream speed, speed of boat, and rate of current. That's it. So speed is equal distance by time. So speed is nothing but downstream speed. So here they mentioned it in downstream 68 kilometers downstream. U plus v is equal d by t. 13 plus 4. 13 plus 4. 13 plus 4 is equal 68 by t. So 17 is equal 68 by t. 17 is equal 68 by t. 17 is equal 68 by t. Seventeen is equal 68 by t. Very good, correct. Very good. 4 hours, correct. Correct, ma. Good. Chalo, next one, ma. Next question. The speed of a boat in still water is 15 kmph and the rate of current is 3 kmph. The distance traveled downstream in 12 minutes. Same method. Be careful, same method. So speed is equal distance by time. Yeah, tell me. Take 60 seconds time. Take 60 seconds time. Take 60 seconds time. Very good, well tried, but wrong. So see once. I'll give a hint, right? So here the speed is in kilometers per hour. So is it downstream? Yes. So it is in downstream only. Clear? So u plus v or u minus v? U plus v. So here the speed is in kmph and the time is in minutes only. Be careful. So here speed is in kilometer per hour, but the time is in minutes. So here 12 minutes convert it into hours. That is correct. Then you will get correct answer. Akhil. No. Yeah, 3.6 or 2.4. We'll see. Very good. Well tried. Good. So here speed is equal distance by time. So u plus v is equal distance by time. Clear? So 15 plus 3 is equal distance by time. Time is 12 minutes. Convert it into hours. 60. Okay. So 15 plus 3, 18 is equal to D into 60 by 12. 12 ones, 12 fives. Okay. 5 ones, 3.6. Very good. Very good. So 3.6 kilometers is correct answer. Is the correct answer. Right. 3.6. Correct. Next 513. Correct. Very good. Very good. Well tried. Well tried. Good. Good. Yeah. Good. 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 Sriram. Superb. Yeah. Good. Good. Yeah. Super. Very good, ma. Well tried, ma. Very well. Good. Good. Okay. Next question, ma. Come to the next question, ma. Yeah. This is most important question. So we'll see. We'll see. I'll give 2 minutes time. I'll give 2 minutes time. Okay. Chalo. Right. A motor boat whose speed is 15 kmph in still water, 30 kilometers downstream, and come back in a total time of 4 hours 30 minutes. Then what is the speed of stream? Then what is the speed of stream? Yeah, this is most important one, ma. Yeah. So here, so this is the journey. Starting point A, ending point B. Okay. So here, the speed of a boat speed is 15 kmph. Clear? So here, stream speed is x kmph. Okay. So here the distance is 30 kilometers. So this is for first time downstream and the second time upstream. So here the distance in downstream is 30 kilometers. So similarly the distance in upstream is same 30 kilometers. Clear? So here the distance is constant. Okay, so keep aside. Clear? So here the total time for up and down, downstream plus upstream time is equal. How much it is? 4.5 hours. 4.5 hours. So here we have two methods. One is traditional method, general method, standard method. Traditional method, general method, and standard method. Okay. So second one is through options. Okay, we'll see, right? So here T1 plus T2 is equal total time. Am I right? T1 plus T2 is equal total time. So time taken in downstream plus time taken in upstream is equal total time. So here T is equal distance by speed. Am I right? Standard formula. Okay. So here very good. 5, correct. Yes, Lavanya, correct. Okay, right. So T is equal D by S, right? Substitute here. D1 by S1 plus D2 by S2 is equal total time. So here T1 plus T2 is equal total time. time taken in downstream plus time taken in upstream is equal total time. Clear? So T is equal D by S. So D1 by S1 plus D2 by S2 is equal total time. Clear? Total time. Total time. Okay. So here D1 by S1 plus D2 by S2 is equal total time. Is equal total time. So here downstream speed is equal U plus V is equal 15 plus X. Clear? Upstream speed is equal to U minus V is equal 15 minus X. So total time is equal 4.5 hours. That is equal to 9 by 2 hours. Okay, now very good. Correct. 5 answer correct. Right? So we'll see. Right. So D1 by. So what is the distance, ma? 30 kilometers by S1 value downstream speed 15 plus X plus 30 by 15 minus X is equal 4.5 hours. That is total time. That is 9 by 2 hours. Okay. So LCM of 15 plus X and 15 minus X. A plus B into A minus B. A plus B into A minus B. So that is equal. Correct. Answer 5. So A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square. A square minus B square. So 30 into. So 15 minus X. Here 15 minus X plus 15 plus X is equal to 9 by 2. Is equal to 9 by 2. So plus X minus X cancel ma. 15 plus 15, 30. So 30 into 30, 900. 30 into 30, 900 divided by 225 minus X square is equal 9 by 2. So 9 ones, 900s. So 225 minus X square is equal 200 ma. So X square is equal 225 minus 200, 25. So X is equal 5. Very good. This is correct. Very good ma. Answer 5 correct. The speed of a stream is, yes, correct. Sheelavanya, Harshita Reddy. Yeah. K6 power. Yeah, correct. Right, very good, very good. Well tried, ma. Yeah. Through options. So one and only one step. 30 by 15 plus X plus 30 by 15 minus X. So here you'll get 4.5 hours. So option A, B, C, D. So 5, 6, 3, 2. So first of all, check out option A. So 5. So 30 by 15 plus 5, 20. Assumption. Okay, option A. Clear? So 15 plus 5, 20. Plus 30 by 15 minus 5, 10. Okay. So here 3 by 2. Half of 3 at 1.5 plus 3. So 4.5, 4.5 hours. This is the correct. 4.5 hours. Good, good. Yeah, good. Next, one more problem. Same procedure, same process. So take the 40 seconds time. Take 40 seconds time. Same procedure, same process. Yeah, make it fast. Yes, answer please. Yeah, distance take it as x. X by s1. 5 plus 1 plus x by 5 minus 1 is equal total time 1 hour. Hmm. 12, 3, 2.4, Savani, maybe you're right. Lavanya, maybe you're right. We'll see. We'll see. So x by 6 plus x by 4 is equal to 1. Okay. So LCM of 6 and 4, 12. Okay. 2x plus 3x is equal to 1. So 5x is equal to 12. X is equal to 5 ones, 5 twos, 5 fours. Right. Very good. Very good. 2.4 correct. 2.4 correct. Super, super, super. E3, D naught, 67, 67. Yeah, 14, 514. Atiti. Yeah, correct, correct. Very good. Ma, well try. Next one, ma. Next one. Take 60 seconds time. 60 seconds. You just write. The P meters. Hmm. Okay, very good, very good, very good. Well, right. So 3 kilometers per hour. Yeah, Meghna 3. We'll see. Yeah, we'll see. So simple ma. Modulus of half into a plus b. So this is for first one. Next one, modulus of half into a minus b. So this is second one. Clear? Half into a plus b, half into a minus b. Very good, ma. So half into a value, okay. So 20 by 2. So that is equal to 10. That's a 10. Next one, half into a minus b, 7 minus 13 modulus. So half into minus 6. Okay, 6 by 2, that is equal to 3. Very good, ma. Very good. 10 and 3, correct. 10 and 3, correct. Very good, very good. Good, good, ma. Well tried. Yeah. Next, few questions from number series, analogy, and classification. Number series, analogy, and classification. So here, the first question is, this is completely your part. You should participate. Yeah. Answer? Yeah. Answer 29. Very good. Correct. So 14, 17, 20, 23, 26. So here the difference between 14 and 17 plus 3. So here plus 3, difference is plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. So 26 plus 3, 29. So here the answer is 29 plus logic is plus 3. Logic is plus 3. Logic is plus 3. Okay now? Next question ma. Answer. Oh, correct. Answer 35. Huh? Yeah, good. We'll see. So 5, 11, 17, 23, 29. Answer. So plus 6, plus 6, plus 6, plus 6, plus 6. So if I plus 6, 29, 35, plus 6. Very good, ma. Very good. Yeah, very good. Very good. Next one. 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 6 comma 24 comma 120. 720. Sure. Logic. What is the logic, ma? Logic. Very good. Factorial. 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial, 6 factorial. Very good. Very good. So otherwise, into 1, into 2, into 3, into 4, into 5, into 6. How much it is? 720. So here the logic is multiplication by natural numbers, sequence numbers. Clear? So into 1, into 2, into 3, into 4, into 5, into 6. Answer 720. 720. Next. Two, 6, 12, 20, 30. Yeah, logic. Very good. Good. 2, 6, 12, 20, 30. Okay. So plus 4, plus 6, plus 8, plus 10, plus 12, 42. 42. Very good. Next question. 1, 1, 3, 15, 105. 1, 1, 3, 15, 105. 1155. No. 945. Maybe it's correct. Yeah, 945. 945 correct. 945. So into 1, into 3, into 5, into 7. Okay. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 945. Answer 945. Odd numbers multiplication. Odd numbers multiplication. Very good, ma. Very good. Very good. Rohit, superb. I'll give one more. Yeah, very good. So it is an excellent problem. So 0, 7, 26, 63. Chalo, take it 30 seconds. Your time starts now. 30 seconds. Wow, n cube minus 1 to 124. Correct. Very good. N cube minus 1. Superb. 0, 7, 26, 63 dash. So 1 cube minus 1, 2 cube minus 1, 3 cube minus 1, 4 cube minus 1, 5 cube minus 1. So 5 cube value 125. 125 minus 1, 124. So here the logic is n cube minus 1. So this is the logic. N cube minus 1. N cube minus 1. N cube minus 1. N cube minus 1 only. Cube minus 1. Cube minus 1. Okay. Answer 124. Next one. Next question mark. 6, 24, 120, 336 dash. 6, 24, 120, 336 dash. Yeah, take 30 seconds. One, 3, 2, 0. Into 4, into 5, into 6, into 7. 1, 3, 2, 0. Very good. Shankar, E3, G9, Abhigya, Ram. Okay, very good. Well tried. Well tried, ma. We'll see. So here 5 cube minus 5. 5 cube value 125. 125 minus 5. 125 minus 5. Okay. So here 120. So 3 cube minus 3. 2 cube minus 2. Next 7 cube minus 7. Right? 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. 11. 11 cube minus 11. So these are prime numbers, not odd numbers. So if it is right, so here 2 is even prime number. If the series is starting with 2, be careful. Clear? So here this is a prime series. N cube minus n. N cube minus n. So 11 cube value 1331 minus 11 1320 1320 1320. Very good. Correct. 1320. So here this is the prime series, prime series, not odd series. Prime series 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. So like that. Clear? 13, 20. Correct. Next question, ma. Take 30 seconds time. 30 seconds. Yes, answer please. Rohit. Okay. Next. Shiv Shankar. Yes, very good, very good. So here 366. Smart. Good, good. Shravani, maybe you are wrong. First two terms square. The last is and last term natural number. Very good, very good. Correct, correct. Very good, ma. Simple, simple logic. 6 square. 6 square. Okay, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, next 9 square. Simple. Very good, very good, very good. Good, good. Good. 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, 9 square. 819 answer. Very good, ma. Good, good. Good response. Pravalika, please tell me. Yeah, next one. Why can't it be plus 131? Which one? Savani. Which one? This one only. Plus 131. Plus 131. So second one also plus 131. Oh, okay. Take it. No problem, no problem. That is one more logic. That is one more logic. Very good. So here the logic is depend upon options only. Right? So completely in number series, number analogy, number classification, letter series, letter analogy. Completely depend upon options. Completely depend upon options. Plus 131. Please take it. No problem. No issue. No issue. Correct. Very good. Very good. White is 23. White is 23. 41, 31, dash 17, 11, 5. White is 23. Very good, very good. Alternate prime number. Super, super, ma. So 5 is the prime number. Here we are missing 7. After 5, 7. 7 missing. After 7, 11. After 11, 13. 13 missing. After 13, 17. After 17, 19. 19 missing. After 19, 23. After 23, 29. 29 missing. Clear? After 29, 31. After 29, 31. So after 31, 37. 37 missing. After 37, 41. Alternate prime numbers. Alternate primes. Very good, very good. Alternate prime numbers. Good, Shiv Shankar. E3. Next E7. 95, 98. Good. Alternate prime numbers. Next question, ma. Take 20 seconds. Take 20 seconds. Take 20 seconds. Yeah. Last 15 seconds. Last 15 seconds. Sure. 2 1 2 3 2 3 2 7 2 3 2 9 2 3 2 9 and 62 prime numbers 2 3 2 5. 25 is not prime. 2 3 2 9. We'll see. Very good, very good. Good response, ma. So 2 3. Good, very good. So see once. See once, ma. 2 3 5 7 11 13 17 19 23 29. Simple logic, ma. So prime numbers separated by commas. Prime numbers separated by commas. Very good, very good, very good. Prime numbers, correct. 2329. So 2329. Very good, ma. So prime numbers separated by commas. Prime numbers separated by commas. So I'll give 5 questions, ma. Okay, I'll give 5 questions. Please copy it. Okay, next. First of all, write it, ma. 500, 1800, 100, 20, 54. I'll give 5 questions. First of all, write the questions, ma. Yeah, over. Next. Okay. Next question. 6, 8, 10, 12, 16, 20, 15, dash 25. Over. Next. 4, 18, 100, 294. Next one, ma. Yeah, this one. 11, 22, 88, dash 18304, comma 292,864. Next. Over. Next question. Sure. Next one. Fifteen, 66, 132, 363, 726. Next question, ma. Give 3 stars. 24, 30, 36, 42, 52, 60. Yeah, you just write. We will discuss later, next class. Okay, any doubt? Yes, boys and girls. Yes, please. If you have any doubt, please raise it, ma. I'll explain once again. Thank you so much. Very good. Good, sir. Welcome, welcome, ma. Yeah. 68. How it is 68? Nitin Reddy. What is the logic? Nitin. Plus 6, plus 6, plus 6, plus 8, plus 6, plus 6, plus 6, plus 8, plus 8, plus 8. Is there any what other logic? First one, 300, sir. Okay, very good. First one, 300, correct. This one, 24, 30, 36, 42, 52, 60. 68. Yeah, very good, very good. Addition of prime numbers, good. So, very good. Correct, correct. Yeah, very good, ma. Thank you so much for your patience, okay, for your support. Very good, ma. So thank you so much. We'll meet tomorrow. So Stanley sir will take the class. Okay, thank you so much, ma.